Good day. So, after I watched the presentation, How Do You Conduct Social Work Research? I gained several important insights that I'd like to share. First, I learned that social work research begins with identifying a problem or issue in society. This could be challenges like poverty, child neglect, domestic violence, or access to mental health services. The key here is to focus on a problem that affects people's well being and requires evidence based solutions. Second, the presentation emphasized the importance of a literature review. So, before starting any study, social workers must examine existing research to understand what has already been discovered. So, what gaps remain and how their own study can contribute to knowledge and practice. This step prevents duplication and ensures that research builds on a solid foundation. Third, I realize how crucial it is to formulate clear research questions or hypotheses. This guide the entire process. For example, instead of asking broadly about homelessness, a researcher might ask, how does access to community shelters influence employment outcomes among homeless youth? A focused questions make the study more meaningful and manageable. Fourth, the presentation explained the different research methods. Quantitative methods involve surveys, experiments, or statistical analysis, while qualitative methods include interviews, focus groups, and case studies. Each has strengths. Quantitative research provides measurable data, while qualitative research captures life experiences and deeper insights. Often combining both through mixed methods gives a fuller picture. Fifth, I learned about the importance of ethical considerations since social works often involves vulnerable populations. So researchers must protect participants' rights, ensure confidentiality, and obtain informed consent. Ethics are not optional, they are central to trustworthy and respectful research. And analyzing it carefully allows researchers to draw valid conclusions, whether using statistical tools or thematic coding. The goal here is to transform raw data into meaningful findings. I understood that research is not complete until findings are shared and applied. Writing reports, publishing articles, or presenting results ensures that knowledge reaches practitioners, policymakers, and communities. Most importantly, research should lead to action, improving programs, shaping policies, and ultimately enhancing people's lives. So, in summary, the presentation that I watched taught me that social work research is a systematic process, from identifying problems, reviewing literature, and designing studies to collecting data, analyzing results, and applying findings. It is both scientific and human centered, ensuring that social workers can advocate effectively and create positive change. Thank you.